Hello my friends, on today's episode on Grainificent, I will talk in short about what kind of photos you can get from the Minolta 90mm f4 on the Leica CL. Why I make this video? Well, I've had a bunch of questions. What kind of photos does this lens make? Because there's opinions online that it makes a low contrast, others say that it makes high contrast images. And people just keep asking me, what types of images does it make? And a simple reply that it depends on your process does not satisfy them. So I decided to make a video showing my process and a few pictures I took this weekend with this specific lens, and only this lens, on Fomapan 400 film on the Leica CL, using the internal light meter on this camera, well, approximately, because I don't really listen much to the light meter. As long as it's showing overexposure, I'm happy with that. So what kind of images I got? Take a look at the process and let me know in the comments below. If they're good, they're bad, they suck, they're not that bad, let me know. Every opinion is a good opinion. This is the Minolta M-Rokkor 90mm f4 lens with the rubberized hood. It's a funny thing like that. Compared to the Leica version, they were made basically in the same factories. Some of them, not all of them. But from what I read, the Minolta version has better lens coatings than the Leica version, and it's much cheaper. So take a look at my process and what I got from this. After packing film into the tank, we got our adenol premixed 1+50 right there. The temperature is being measured. It's coming out to about 21 degrees Celsius, something like that. So according to the website, we won't be changing any time. We'll be developing it at 1 degree Celsius above the recommended temperature. So for 11 minutes at 1+50, 400 ISO, Fomapan 400. Taken out to dry. After drying, we will scan and edit. I scanned them in on my Epson Perfection V600 photo scanner, and I used the Silverfast 8 Epson software for scanning. After I set all my settings, I go into Image and Batch Scan All. So we got our images developed a bit the way I like them. At close focus, I'm still not too great at focusing on a rangefinder, but this is the way I like my photos. In another episode, I will develop them on paper with a nice contrasty developer to see how they compare developed and scanned and edited on the computer versus developed on paper and then scanned in at a high resolution. So let me know what you think about these photos and what you like about them and what you don't like about them as well. So that was what I got from this lens. Let me know what you think about it, and if you have experience with the Minolta or the Leica 90mm f4, share your opinion in the comments down below as well. So it might be helpful for somebody to decide which version to buy. Me personally, I like the Minolta version better, but share in the comments your opinions, my friends. So if you like this video, please remember to hit the like button. That's completely free and it shows the YouTube algorithm that this video is worthy of showing to others. And if you like film photography related content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you get notified whenever I post another video so you don't miss any amazing content. And if you would like to help out with the channel, there's a donation link in the description down below. You could also donate through the support button under the video, or if you would like more bang for your buck, look into channel memberships where from $1 a month you can see all the videos I make before they go public. So thank you for watching, my friends. Take care and see you in the next episode.